right? Let us say that the integer, given integer number is like let us assume that, okay, let me save this one. Let us assume that the given integer number is 1 2 3 4 5. So what is this number? This number is, you can pronounce this like 1 lakh, 12,345, right? This is a very big number, 12,345. I want to find how many digits in this number. So here we have how many digits? 5 digits, right? And if I am asked to find the 1291, so how many digits are there? 4 digits. The input is this and the output is going to be this. We asked to find 100, how many digits are there? 3. We are asked to find 10, how many digits are there? 2. My input is, they will be, you will be given a big number and you have to find how many digits are there in that particular number, right? So this is very easy because we got to know how to extract the numbers. It is very easy. Now let me take a simple number. So number is going to be like 7 9 8 6 7. So this is a number, totally there are 5 digits in the number, but I want to take this as an input and my output should be what? Output should be 5 digits. Right? How to proceed here? Again the same logic. First we will extract this. Extract the last number. We know how to extract the last number. How do we do? Just number modular of 10. Right? So with this operation you get 7. Right? Once the extraction of a particular number is done, then try to reduce this number to 4 digits. Here it is 5 digits. Reduce this number to 4 digits. In order to reduce this number to 4 digits, number divided by 10, right? So the answer is going to be what? 7986. After reducing the number, again do modular operation, number by number modular of 10. The last number will be extracted, which is 6, right? Then reduce the digits. To reduce the digits, again number by 10, which is equal to 798, right? So extract the last number, number 10, which is what? 8, right? So again here number by 10 going to be 79. Extract the last number. To extract the last number, to perform the modular operation, so last number will be extracted, right? Reduce the digits. So number by 10, which is what? 7. Extract the last number, is what? 7. Now reduce the digit. So if you try to do this division operation, output is going to be 0. Now reduce the extract the number. There is no number to be, you can extract any number with 0. So once you get 0, stop the loop, terminate the program, stop, don't proceed further, right? So in this case, what I am going to do, that for each and every, this is the first iteration, this is second iteration, this is the third iteration, true cases, this is third iteration, this is the fourth iteration, this is the fifth iteration, this is the sixth iteration. While encountering the sixth iteration, the while loop will be terminated, because while loop will not get satisfied because of this false condition, right? So I need to keep a count. I will be keeping a count variable. Let me take it as count variable as what? Count variable as initialize the count variable as 0 for each and every iteration. For the first iteration, this count variable will become 1. For the second iteration, just to count plus plus, increase the count variable to 1 2. For third iteration, count variable is 3. For the fourth iteration, count variable will be 4. For the fifth iteration, count variable will be 5. For the sixth iteration, count variable should not get executed because it is getting terminated, right? So the output is going to be 5. right? Same program I am taking, right? Instead of like keeping this as extract, I'm just replacing this with count. I'm initializing the value of count as 0, right? So what I'm doing is I'm removing the system dot outer println statement, right? So let me, so as the while loop gets executed, just keep increasing the count, right? If you go back to the problem, what I'm doing is I'm just counting it. For the first iteration, counted, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration, right? So I'm going to, initially the count is 0. As long as this while loop is getting executed, you can keep the count number anywhere, count plus plus, right? So after the while loop, I'm going to count how many times this while loop is executed. That is going to give me the number of digits that the particular decimal has, right? Let me execute this. I should try the count here. So I'm removing this. The reason why I'm removing this, I will tell you. Four, right? So what I'm trying to do, see, the previous statement has nothing to do with this. So we do not have to extract the last value, because with the extracting or with the extracting, it will not make any difference. So our conclusion is that as long as the this number is getting reduced. First time it is 16867, second time 7986, third time 798, fourth time 79, fifth time 7. We don't know how to extract the values actually. As long as the number is getting reduced to 0, we need to count how many times this while loop is getting executed. So the count of the while loop is going to give me the actual count of the digits. That's it, right? So this is going to give me the actual digits. So first time it is going to be 768. So then second time 768, third time 76, fourth time 7, fifth time 0. So this is going to be count 1, right? This is going to be count 2, count 3, count 4. But when it's trying to execute the loop for the fifth time, it cannot get executed because of the condition is not getting satisfied. It will come out of the loop. So when it is coming out of the loop, already the count value got registered to 4. So I'm adding one more number like 2, 3. The number of digits has to be what? 6. Count is 6. Any number. You will get the count. You will get the number of digits. This is how you calculate.